The story of Tatra begins in 1850 in Kopernik, a small town located in what is now the Czech Republic. It was here that Ignác Sestala, a visionary young entrepreneur, founded a workshop dedicated to manufacturing carriages and wagons. At the time, Central Europe was marked by an agrarian economy, and transportation relied exclusively on animal traction. Sestala saw an opportunity to offer vehicles that combined durability and functionality to meet the region's growing needs. Over the decades, the workshop expanded its operations. The quality of its carriages earned recognition beyond local borders, and the company began gaining a reputation for the excellence of its products. The Industrial Revolution brought new technologies, and Sestala realized the future of transportation lay in motor vehicles. This vision culminated in the creation of the President, Central Europe's first automobile, in 1897. This milestone not only highlighted the company's boldness, but also positioned it as a pioneer in transforming mobility. The President was a blend of cutting-edge engineering and innovative design for its time. Although simple by modern standards, it marked the beginning of a new era for Tatra. The production of motor vehicles brought new challenges and opportunities, requiring investments in infrastructure and research. The company's ability to adapt to these changes was crucial for its survival and growth. In 1919, a symbolic moment marked the brand's history: the adoption of the name Tatra, an homage to the Tatra Mountains, symbolizing strength and resilience. The name represented not only the robustness of its products, but also the innovative spirit that would define the company in the decades to come. With a solid foundation in place, Tatra was ready to take even greater strides in the automotive industry, shaping the future of transportation in Europe and beyond. With the Tatra name solidified in 1919, the company embarked on a period of innovation that would forever change the automotive industry. Under the visionary leadership of Chief Engineer Hans Ledwinka, Tatra became synonymous with cutting-edge engineering and revolutionary design. One of Ledwinka's main contributions was the development of the tubular chassis, a lightweight, strong, and efficient structure that became the foundation for many of the company's vehicles. In the early 1930s, Tatra boldly ventured into aerodynamics, an uncommon focus at the time. This effort culminated in the launch of the iconic Tatra T77 in 1934. Considered the world's first mass-produced aerodynamic car, the T77 featured a futuristic design and a rear-mounted air-cooled engine, offering improved performance and fuel efficiency. Its sleek lines, inspired by aerodynamic engineer Paul Jarry's studies, not only enhanced the vehicle's functionality, but also set a new standard for automotive aesthetics. The success of the T77 paved the way for other iconic models, like the Tatra T87, which quickly gained popularity among industrial and political leaders for its reliable performance and advanced design. These vehicles symbolize not only Tatra's technological prowess, but also its ability to anticipate trends and lead the market in innovation. Simultaneously, Tatra expanded its truck lineup, developing robust vehicles for industrial and military use. The combination of luxury automobiles and heavy trucks allowed the company to diversify its operations and cement its position as one of Europe's most advanced manufacturers. Even amid the global economic challenges of the Great Depression, Tatra maintained its reputation for excellence, exporting its products to international markets. By the late 1930s, Tatra had firmly established itself as a leader in automotive innovation. However, dark times loomed with the outbreak of World War II, which would drastically change the course of the company and the world. With the outbreak of World War II in 1939, Tatra, like many other European industries, was forced to adapt to the demands of the war effort. Under Nazi occupation, the company was redirected to producing military vehicles to meet the needs of the German regime. This period was marked by ethical and logistical challenges, as production shifted from civilian innovations to a focus on trucks and military vehicles. Among the models developed during the war, the Tatra 111 stood out, a heavy-duty truck designed for extreme terrain. Equipped with an air-cooled diesel engine, the Tatra 111 demonstrated remarkable durability and versatility, making it indispensable for transporting troops and supplies. Although its production was mandated, this model solidified Tatra's reputation as a manufacturer of robust and reliable vehicles. The end of the war brought significant political and economic changes. Czechoslovakia was incorporated into the socialist bloc, and Tatra was nationalized in 1945. Under the communist regime, the company faced new challenges. Priorities shifted to meeting the demands of Soviet bloc countries, limiting exports to Western markets. Despite these constraints, Tatra continued to innovate, focusing primarily on the production of heavy-duty trucks and utility vehicles. In the 1950s, models like the Tatra 138 and later the Tatra 148 were introduced, establishing the company as a leading supplier of military and industrial trucks in Eastern Europe. These vehicles were designed to endure extreme conditions, from arid climates to mountainous terrains, reflecting Tatra's tradition of quality and resilience. Even under the limitations imposed by the socialist regime, the company maintained its capacity for innovation. Engineers continued to explore advanced technical solutions, preserving the creative spirit that had defined the brand in previous decades. By the 1980s, Tatra was a critical component of the infrastructure within the communist bloc. However, the collapse of the regime in 1989 brought new opportunities and challenges, marking the beginning of a transformative era for the company. The collapse of the socialist bloc in 1989 marked one of the most challenging periods in Tatra's history. Transitioning to an open market economy exposed the company to intense global competition, while demand from its traditional clients in Eastern Europe rapidly declined. To survive, Tatra had to rethink its strategy and seek new markets. During the 1990s, the company underwent privatization but faced financial difficulties due to declining production and shifting market dynamics. Tatra's traditional models, while renowned for their durability, needed modernization to meet the expectations of a global market that prioritized advanced technology, efficiency, and sustainability. To address these challenges, Tatra focused on specialized niches. The company redirected its efforts to off-road trucks designed for extreme applications in industries such as mining, heavy construction, and military logistics. This shift was supported by new investments in technology, enabling Tatra to launch updated models like the Tatra 815, tailored to meet the needs of industrial and military clients worldwide. Despite difficulties, Tatra's reputation for reliability and innovation remained strong. During this period, its trucks also gained prominence in extreme competitions like the Dakar Rally, where they showcased their durability and performance in harsh conditions. These successes reinforced Tatra's image as an expert in vehicles designed for tough environments. In the early 21st century, Tatra attracted new partners and investors, bringing capital and expertise to modernize the company. These efforts resulted in the development of more efficient and competitive models adapted to contemporary demands. The combination of tradition and innovation became the foundation for Tatra's repositioning in the global market. Balancing its historical legacy with the need for innovation and competitiveness in a dynamic market was no easy task. However, Tatra's resilience, which had defined its history, allowed the company to overcome these challenges and prepare for a promising future. In the 21st century, Tatra emerged as a revitalized company, focused on innovation and specialization. Under the management of Tatra Trucks, acquired in 2013 by Czech investors, the company consolidated its focus on developing off-road trucks for industrial and military applications. This restructuring marked the beginning of a new era, blending tradition and modernity to ensure competitiveness in the global market. A key element of this revival was the renewal of its product lineup. Models like the Tatra Phoenix, equipped with state-of-the-art technology, symbolized the company's ability to adapt to the demands of the contemporary market. Combining the legendary robustness of tubular chassis with powerful and efficient engines, the Phoenix exemplifies how Tatra has preserved its essence while incorporating technological advances. At the same time, the company maintained its presence in competitions like the Dakar Rally, where its trucks continue to demonstrate exceptional performance in extreme conditions. These participations not only reinforced Tatra's reputation as a leader in vehicles for tough terrains, but also strengthened its global brand. Success in these events became a key element of its contemporary identity, showcasing its dedication to excellence and innovation. Another central aspect of Tatra's legacy is its contribution to critical industrial sectors. Its off-road trucks are widely used in mining, construction, and transportation in remote regions where few vehicles can operate. This specialization secured Tatra a unique position in the market, allowing it to continue growing even during global crises. Over more than 170 years of history, Tatra has remained true to its pioneering spirit. From its beginnings as a carriage manufacturer to becoming a global brand of specialized vehicles, the company has demonstrated unmatched resilience and adaptability. Today, it is recognized not only for its historical legacy, but also for its ability to innovate and lead in the present. With its roots firmly planted in Czech heritage and its eyes set on the future, Tatra continues to inspire generations. Its story is a testament to how vision, courage, and adaptability can transform a small workshop into a global icon of the automotive industry.